This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah. I leave the TV on, I'm done with this.
What's up, everyone? It's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys around with me, sort of like my everyday morning routine. I will be also throwing in some laundry here and there. So I will be picking up the house. Of course, I'll also be making breakfast for my family and lunch as well. So this video should get you motivated to get up and do something, whether that's get that meal done or get the laundry done or just get your home clean. So I hope that you guys will get up and clean with me. If not, I hope that you will use this motivation for later. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, first I want to go ahead and get the bed made. When I have my bed made, it just makes me feel so good, and I feel like my day goes a little bit better. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, or maybe you guys can feel me too. I don't get to make my bed every morning depending on my husband and I's schedule, but I try to get it done sometime during the day so that I can pull the bed clothes back and get in the bed in the evenings. It's something about getting in and made a bed. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and make up the bed and get the room tidied up, and then I can move on.
If you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So now that the room is straightened up for the day, then I'm going to go in the kitchen and cook some breakfast for my boys. I am a working mother. I do work outside the home, and during school, my boys, they did do remote learning. So I did have the opportunity to cook breakfast for them every day and lunch as well. And that was so important to me and special to me. So current time, I am back in the office and just making it all work, just trying to balance it all out. But I did enjoy being able to do this throughout the week and not just on the weekends for them. So for breakfast this morning, they're having pancakes, turkey bacon, and eggs. And I am making a smoothie. I've just gotten done maybe a month ago, a green smoothie cleanse, because I got to get it together, okay? I kind of struggled through it. It's probably time to do another one because I enjoyed being off of it. You know what I mean? So anyway, after this, then we can clean up the kitchen, get some more laundry done, and finish up the house.
Spitting shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flame's going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So while the kids ate breakfast, I was able to go ahead and change over the laundry and get another load done. And I know I kind of gave you guys just bits and pieces of who I am. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys get what you needed or exactly what you were looking for. My name is Tamara. I'm a married mother of 2 boys, and I work outside the home, and I love creating these types of videos, especially if my schedule allows it. I can have more up. Since going back to work, it's just kind of been hard trying to get the videos out. Before, I posted videos on Sunday and Wednesdays, so you can either find me here on either Sunday and Wednesday. Sometimes you can find me on both days, but just in case, if you want to come back and check me out, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and hit the notification bell, then it'll alert you when I upload. So if you are new here, don't forget to say hello in the comments. I would love to know that you are here and welcome you to my channel. And all my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for being here as well. You know I love you guys, and don't forget to say hi as well.
Falls on you, but you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
So the kitchen is clean. I've gotten some more laundry done, and time has passed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get lunch ready for everyone. And so for lunch today, just making something really simple. So I'm just taking out some chicken fingers from the freezer. I'm gonna fry a couple of those. I usually chop those up, and sometimes I make little wraps out of them. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. Sometimes I make barbecue wraps, they like them plain. Today I'm making buffalo wraps, and I'm just going to add some cheese and some ranch to it and add some veggies on the side, and that will be lunch.
Together you, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
So the family room wasn't that bad, but I like to straighten up the pillows and vacuum if I need to, wipe some things down. I don't think I did this the night before. Sometimes that doesn't get done before I go to bed, and that's fine as long as I take care of it. And you guys can do the same thing. Don't pressure yourself to feel like you have to have your house perfect before you go to bed. That just adds some stress. And to some people, it adds stress to not have it done. But just follow your mind and do what you feel, and not necessarily what you see on YouTube all the time. Motivation is what it is, not necessarily something to stress you out. So if you don't get it done the night before, it's okay. Get it done the next morning. It's your house, you know what I'm saying? So just go easy on yourself.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
So I took a break throughout the day and just chilled out, and now it's the evening time. But now I want to go ahead and tackle this laundry because I have a lot of it. So go ahead and get your baskets so that we can get this laundry folded. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. That is it for this video. I hope it gave you some motivation of how you can work through your day with cleaning. Just split it up throughout the day. Also get some laundry done. I just hope you leave this video motivated. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Also hit your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really helps my channel. I hope you guys have the most amazing week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.
Maybe we got time.